A machine that looks off can still be dangerous. Stored electricity, pressure, heat, gravity, or moving parts can restart or release energy without warning. OSHA says proper lockout tagout procedures prevent an estimated 120 fatalities and 50,000 injuries every year. That is why an energy control program, LOTO, matters. This course helps you understand hazardous energy, lockout tagout procedures, equipment shutdown, energy isolation, lock and tag use, verification steps, stored energy release, and employee responsibilities. You learn the difference between authorized, affected, and other employees, how to follow energy control procedures, and why verification is critical before servicing or maintenance begins. Inside the course, you get clear lessons, U.S. workplace examples, LOTO checklists, downloadable study materials, and OSHA-focused guidance. After completion, you receive a certificate, free reference resources, and support materials you can use at work. Because LOTO safety is not just about placing a lock. It is about making sure the machine cannot hurt someone.